Hi everyone, Sandy Trefger here. I'm excited to share with you today my little crazy cat lady album that I designed for Country Craft Creations and Authentique using Authentique's companion paper collection and cardstock that coordinates with the collection. The cat on the front is made with the coordinating cardstock that you can order from countrycraftcreations.com. So let's take a look. You'll see on the sides that it is a little rectangle shaped album with the cat on the top that I hand cut, paper pieced with the papers, and it says one cat short of crazy, which I think I am, and feed me, pet me, love me. So it's real easy to layer this all up with the black cardstock and then just glue this down on the front of the album. So I've had some ask about doing this for the dog, and I won't be doing one, but it would be really easy to use the same basic shape, change the ears, the tail, the paws, a bigger tongue, and you would have a dog instead of a cat. So you see on the back I have the Authentique pattern paper from the Companions collection, which is a great collection because it's for both cat and dog. One side of the paper is for a dog, the other side is for a cat. So it opens up this way. On the left we have a little pocket that I made out of the cut apart, so I have some little tags in here that I used a tag die that I have set, and I also have a photo mat there. Then the first page set has a pocket for more tags that you could add photos on the front and the back, and a little booklet with a place for photos. So it's not a real big album. It only has 3 page sets, but a lot of fold outs with it. So this one folds out this way, and on the right I have a little flip up with photo albums, mats for photos underneath. And then I have photo mats here on the left, and then this set folds back and we have more flip ups with some more mats for photos. So it doesn't lay down real flat, but I'm okay with that because it's a crazy album, so I like the way it turned out. So we have some more flaps here that you can add photos. I didn't put mats because I'm going to wait and see which photos I want to put in. Here's another place for 2 photos. Stacked pockets with some more of the little tags. I just love this paper. This, of course, I used all of the cat paper side. As I said, if you want to do a dog one, there is that paper in the same collection on the back side. So there's another set of flip ups, and then on the next set we have flip ups that go up and down, which gives you more places for photos. And then this opens to the right, so you have a place there, and you have another pocket with another little booklet. So lots of little tuck spot places for your different little photos and things, and a little magnet just for fun. And then the third, on the back of this set, we have what I call the Crazy Cat waterfall. Instead of going up, it flips down, or the waterfalls do. So the little closure piece that's magnetic flips up, and then you have all your little crazy pieces of the paper that I cut out of the scraps to make different sizes of waterfalls here for this back section. So that's a lot of fun. And then on the inside cover I utilized that. I have added these 2 little cut aparts to make flaps out of them. I love these 2 guys. They are so cute with the glasses on, and so I've just decorated all of this to give me some extra places for photos. So then it closes up and it's held closed with magnets. I will be having a tutorial for this in a day or 2, so I hope you'll join me. Bye bye.